Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on Photopea website. So all you need to do is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So of course when you open your browser, just go here to the URL, type photopea.com and hit the enter button. That will certainly take you into this page. And as you can see from here, you can like start a new project, open something from a computer, choose some of their PSD templates, or you can just drop your file here and start editing on it. So for me, I'm just going here to click at new project and I'm going to choose a simple template like this. Let's just wait until it loads. So once it's fully loaded, you will see your templates here, and here at the right you will see the components, all the components contains on this template. Of course you can delete some of them, you can move some of them by just like hovering and move. You can even move the background and etc. Of course if you reverse your choice, you can just go here and click at Ctrl Z and Z and Z. As you can see, everything go back to normals as it was at the beginning. So of course let's just first of all let's just insert an image here like bird, and let's just choose this one. Why not? Let's just close this and let's just make it smaller a bit, and let's just make it the first one to appear. So let's say as an example we would like this image, we would like to paste it, so to copy it and paste it. So of course to copy, all you need to do, just go and click on this, then hit the Ctrl C. Then you would like to hit the Ctrl V. So as you can see, so when you hit actually the Ctrl V, as you can see, nothing appears right here. And even like if we deleted this, delete, even if we take this as we said and click on it, which is here is it, even if we come here, click at paste, and as you can see, nothing appears. So of course when you click at paste once, when you go back here and click at right click, you will find here an option called copy. Then you can actually like, so of course if you come here and click at paste again, and if it's not working for you, simply you'll just need to come here and click at duplicate. Of course you can duplicate layer, you can duplicate into like something, maybe a new project, or you can like just delete it simply. So of course there is other option, which is you can just click at Alt and of course just make it like scroll down or scroll up, and it will be copied. So and paste it there. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.